Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Gunsnbbq. If you hear any noise in the background, that's just my 2-year-old playing. Please don't mind. So I'm coming to you today because got some important information. Probably a month ago or so, I had done a video on House Bill 1747 and House Bill 2440 here in PA. One of them limits the governor's powers that he has during states of emergency, things that he can limit, things like that. And then the other one, 2440, actually makes the firearms industry a life-sustaining essential industry. That doesn't just mean your local shops or anything like that. That means anybody with a FFL, so what that means is any manufacturer, any FFL, any place selling ammo, etc. And that's a big deal. Back when our Governor Wolf had done the state of emergency for the opioid epidemic, which is still in place, it limited who could actually open carry. Currently, if you do not have a concealed handgun license in the state of Pennsylvania, you cannot open carry in the state of Pennsylvania, even though it's an open carry state, because we are under a state of emergency. So these bills will help dial back some backdoor gun control that the governor is able to get away with, and it's going to ensure that the next time a pandemic like this happens, they can't go shutting down gun shops, your gun ranges, etc. Manufacturers even. Some people believe that might be what put the final nail in the coffin for Remington, was New York shutting them down. So, it's a pandemic like that, what the Democrats say, don't waste a tragedy or whatever. So, that might be what put the nail in Remington's coffin. I think there was a whole litany of things, but that might be the last nail that it took, and that's a win for the left. So, we really need to get on this. The big deal about it is we've only got four legislative days left here in Pennsylvania, and then if these bills aren't voted on in that time, then that's it. They're done. They'll probably just disappear into the night. And we can't have that. Like I said, these are very important. So we need to get a hold of the Senate Majority Leader, Jake Corman, and say, hey, you need to get these voted on. You got 4 days of work left, and, make it happen. Let's go. So put a link to their stuff down in the description as well. Again, really important, guys. Reach out to your senators, have them press Senate Majority Leader Jake Corman, and let's get these passed. This is Gunsnbbq saying, keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking. Please make sure you get out and vote in November, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll catch y'all later.